Okay, sa susunod, kasama ka na namin, trip to Boracay. Basta i-goal mo lang magkakotse ka. Ikaw nakasama.
Grabe, first time ko dito sa Boracay. At syempre, no, hindi ako papayag na first time lang. Meron pang kasunod. Pupunta ulit ako, babalik ulit ako dito sa Boracay.
Guys, grabe, mas maganda sa susunod. Kasama ka na! Grabe, sobrang nakakabaliw talaga dito sa Boracay. Kaya goal mo, mas maganda, makasama ka na doon. Kasi kakaiba yung experience na naman na napuntahan namin.
Ang masasabi ko, umama ka sa susunod. Yun.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime.
Grabe, magkailan happy kami.
We were in too deep.
Ang dami.
You wanna swear
Goal mo lang next step. Mayroon tayong dalawa. Wala ka maglalabas.
driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Ang first itinerary natin yung Puka Beach. Ang afternoon ma'am, 20 minutes tayo doon, picture taking tayo.
Thinking we'll be young, girls are thinking we'll be young.
Dito tayo ngayon sa low budget Palawan.
We young, girls are thinking we'll be Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you.
Tayo, ganito kasarap.
Wouldn't be so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing
Sa part 2, kasama ka na. Pag gusto mo ito ma-experience. Goal ka lang.
around like nighttime almost. We were in too deep. And you be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Yung grabe no, andito kami ngayon sa Boracay at nasa tapat namin yung beach front no. Ang malupit, nasa Italian food kami. Tingnan mo, pakita mo. Kami lang mga Pilipino rito na kumakain. Pero may nasa paligid namin. Tingnan mo, puro mga foreigner. Ito, nandun, puro foreigner. Kami lang ang mga Pilipino rito na kumakain. Grabe no, susunod kasama kayo.
Be young forever, 'cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young, 'cause I'm
Lalaman mo na Italian language. Magnifico. Nalaman mo na Italian language.
Bella, beautiful.
Entry mo.
Delicioso.
Ngayon nalalaman mo na Italian.
Italianos, cocinas, delicato.
Gawa place.
Arigato na. Italiano, Ecuanto, Encanto, Cultura.
Ngayon, at syempre, magpapainom daw sila Gemma. Ayaw mo